Over the last 90 days, 3 individuals gained true financial freedom through Bitcoin. Nearly $14,000 was deposited directly into their accounts merely 24 hours after signing up for my revolutionary software. Interested in achieving the same results? Using our techniques, the very same returns can be yours. Ready to learn how? Joining the Bitcoin loophole is the first step to achieving success beyond your wildest dreams. Don't miss your chance to get in on the ground level of the cryptocurrency market. You qualify for this exclusive opportunity. Beta testing is open for a limited time. Just listen to what others are saying. I saw all the hype revolving around Bitcoin, but I simply didn't know the necessary steps to jump on the wagon. It just seemed like a rather scary endeavor full of risks and technical demands. Seeing Steve's presentation gave me the confidence I needed to enter this once daunting marketplace. His promises turned out to be true, as I watched the money pour into my account in only a few hours. Thanks to Steve, I am well on my way to an early retirement. Steve changed my life by accepting me into this program. I've been an investor for a while now, but never really found much success. My portfolio included a variety of commodities and stocks that made long-term gains, but never turned into anything substantial. I was skeptical of cryptocurrencies, but I quickly changed my mind. $74,832.77 in under 2 months isn't bad for an initial investment of only $250, I'd say. It looks like I'm on the way to making a fortune. I was fortunate enough to receive an invitation to test Steve's new program. I am absolutely thrilled to report that joining the Bitcoin loophole was the best thing I've ever done. My finances have never looked better. Using Steve's program, I've made over $400,000 in only 37 days. I didn't think I'd ever pay my student loans and mortgage off, but here I am, completely debt-free and happier than ever. What if you could have gotten in on companies such as Facebook, Apple, or Amazon at their youngest stages? Facebook's first big investor, Peter Thiel, cashes out, CNN. Apple shares have soared in recent years, Fortune. Amazon's Jeff Bezos has made a lot of money for people who bet on his company, Business Insider. Stop wondering what it would be like if you had acted in these initial stages. Experts know that timing is key to investing. Now is the time to turn back the clock and act early. Like early tech stocks, there were once people who doubted the cryptocurrency's potential. Only those that act quickly can take advantage of skyrocketing values. There is a new generation of investors sitting center stage within this lucrative market. Today, people around the world are taking advantage of the Bitcoin boom, and you could be next. In the next several minutes, I will reveal how to use the Bitcoin loophole to make over $500 an hour for the rest of your life. Imagine $13,200 hitting your bank in no more than 24 hours from now. Now, the process is yours for free. You heard that right. Through our beta testing phase, the software that is making millionaires is available to you free. Imagine a life without the burden of bills and working a standard 9-to-5. Exotic vacations, a larger house, and that car you've always imagined can be yours. There is nothing for sale from the Bitcoin loophole. This is simply an opportunity to begin a successful investing career. You may have seen me on television or in the pages of Forbes or Business Insider. Let me introduce myself. My name is Steve McKay. I'm a software developer turned investor wanting to teach my techniques to others. They call me the $1 Million Man, as I strive to bring others the same advantages I've discovered. Let me tell you how it all started. A few years ago, I was an ordinary software developer with absolutely no experience in investing. Working for a large firm on Wall Street, I was steadily working my way up the corporate ladder. One afternoon, my boss dropped a new project on my desk. He needed me to create a software that allows our wealthy clients to trade Bitcoin without buying Bitcoin. The private request was from the guys on top, and I was to begin immediately. Over the next year, I quietly worked on the project without mentioning it to anyone. Something strange happened only days after the program went live. The software was up for only 2 days, but was quickly pulled. The next day, I received a call from an unidentified number. It was my boss. He told me he had quit his job and asked me never to speak of the software. Turns out, he never intended to share the software with his clients. He was using what I created to secretly make thousands of dollars. There I sat in my office, owner of a powerful system that nobody knew existed. Naturally, I gave it a try. I hesitantly entered the world of Bitcoins with an initial investment of $250. The results were quite unexpected. After only an hour, my money had more than doubled. Then I made another $500 the very next hour. Each hour, I could see money steadily raising my bank account. I had underestimated just how powerful the software was. I had over $13,000 in my account in less than a day. To my surprise, it only took 90 days to make me a millionaire for the first time in my life. It was never my intention to make money like this, but here we are. If I can do it, then virtually anyone can. Now that I have all this free time, it is my mission to pass it on to others. My dream is to create 25 millionaires just like me. I'm looking for average people to take advantage of this cutting-edge technology alongside me. Sound too good to be true? Let me show you how it works step by step and judge for yourself. First, I'm going to register an account in the very same software you'll receive at the end of this video. I'm going to add $250 to the account to show you how to make thousands from a minimal investment. Next, I turn on the auto trading function so you can enjoy all the action hands-free. Let's leave the software running and check back later. While we wait, I'm going to remind you that within the next 48 hours, I am going to reach out to 25 people. Each of these lucky individuals is guaranteed to make over $13,000 in a matter of only 24 hours. All it takes is just 3 simple clicks. Just so there is no misunderstanding, everything we do is 100% legal and ethical. There is absolutely nothing to sell here. People are riding the Bitcoin wave all around the world. I am simply looking for a few people able to stay with me over the long term. Someone like you. All it takes is activating your Bitcoin loophole account. Now, let's pick up where we left off only minutes ago. As you can see, the balance has grown to $360.43 in moments. That's an unprecedented $110.43 in under 3 minutes. Let's give it 24 hours so you can see the real profits coming in with your own eyes. Welcome back. In the past 24 hours, our balance has made outrageous gains. As you can see, we're up to $14,830.44. Our trade history can give us an idea of how these staggering profits were made. You can see there was on 3 losses equating to over 99% accuracy. Often known as the world's most consistent trading software, the Bitcoin loophole system makes it virtually impossible to lose. Ready to make professional trades like these? Everything you need to get started is on this page. Simply submit your information on this page and our team will take it from there. Working for you, a team of savvy cryptocurrency traders guide you towards making it big. How would you feel if $13,000 was deposited into your account in under 24 hours? Ample time and money will open doors that you never knew existed. Exotic vacations, luxurious cars, and spectacular experiences await. Begin the journey by filling out this form. All you need to do is fill out your information on this page. Don't delay, we are looking for 25 individuals. This exclusive beta testing opportunity is about to change your life. Join today, and I'll see you inside.